Welcome to Doing Things with Chris Two Times. On today's episode, we're going to be cutting this down with this. Let's boost up the speed. Hold on. Yep. Cause we're trying to fit that DS18 in the right way. So yeah, I'll stay tuned. Let's see if it fits in right now, cause it should. Sadly, it does not fit right yet, but hold on. Gotta do some more cutting up there, so I'll be back with y'all. All right, y'all, so we outside right now. So I got that side right. I had to take this rotary tool, go into it, and do that. That's what you gotta do. So yeah, I did all that. I had basically, I'm gonna have to cut some right down there and all right there. Sand all that down. so yeah, it's real cold out here. It's like 40 degrees out here, I think. Yeah, about 40. So yeah, voice ain't the best right now because we ain't feeling the best, but I'm gonna get better in a little bit. So yeah. But yeah, we're finna go ahead and get this process done. I know I'm not gonna finish all of it today, but I'm gonna try to start on a little bit of it, so I just won't be procrastinating on stuff with this truck. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all whenever I get somewhere during this process. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm back. I got it cut out more, so yeah. So now I just gotta hook it up. I had to take these up because I ain't want nothing touching. Push that down a little bit. But yeah. Yeah, it should be all right, but I think that's how I'm gonna do for the night. So tomorrow I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop speaker in, hook it up or whatnot, let it play, see what it do. And yeah, and like I said, I done the left side already, but I just want to demonstrate to y'all how this works, cause I ain't really record on that side. Wait, I did, but I ain't. I forgot to keep recording. Well, I forgot to record one part. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all most of the stuff here. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all tomorrow whenever I continue finishing this up. So yeah. All right, we back with this process right here. So right now I'm currently just trying to wire the stuff up, getting the connections together, you know what I'm saying? The little basic stuff. So yeah. So what I did, I got these wires hanging up. I put these little ends on here so they'll connect. Hold on. So they'll connect right on these. So yeah, and I'm just putting tape around. I always just put tape around these just to make sure it's a secure connection. So yeah. So we really got everything coming together right now. So yeah, what I'm gonna have to do is make some more holes, drill some more holes in here for this new speaker that's going in. So yeah. So I'll be back with y'all whenever I finish putting this tape on both of these wires right here. And I'm finna get the drill and drill this in. So I'll be back with y'all. I'm back, so I got the tape wrapped around, the electrical tape wrapped around these little connectors right here. So what we finna do is drill the holes in here. So I got the little screws. One there, hold on. Where's they? Okay, so I got them. And we gonna make some more holes to drill in, make the speaker fit. So yeah, I can't hold it in one hand. So I'ma just do it off camera. Y'all will see how I look whenever I come back. So yeah, I'll be right back with y'all again.
Woke up in the club, I'm with this, baby. Yeah, push it like my AP, bro, like grease, baby. Yeah, that ass fat, I'm with this lady. Yeah, keep that ass jumping on your fence, baby. Yeah, beat it, caught a murder, I'm confused, baby. Hey, bitch, and she talking on the beach, baby. Yeah, hit her from the back, take this dick, baby. Yeah, can't stop all the running, all the drinks, baby. Pussy good, all the house, all the room, baby. Pussy good, and you bring jolly rich, baby. That pussy up, it's a gift, I'm a prince, baby. All I wanna do is rest, baby. Hey, baby, come on. Make that ass clap, baby, bend over. Show that pussy good, baby, don't be scared, I can show that pussy good, baby. Don't be scared, I can show that you.
I got it set on the speaker. I just got it set on the right speaker in the back. Right here.
Yeah, I done ran out of ones. Tall boogie brains off. You know I'm full of them perkins. She said you did like a slipper. After I told her who I was, Shawty started getting nervous. Hey, baby. You fine. Don't do no saving, no comfort. Last bitch broke my heart, I'm broken. I got big dog studies, no puppy. Yeah, she got a nigga, but he be lying though. I wanna get some nigga, but some fine though. Her headshot down your brain though. You might get it to rain though. She wanna fuck a nigga for a long time, I ain't with it. No, I ain't with it. So it's like, it's a matter of, get out some feeling, that bend over. Hey, baby.
Ledge up, picking up. So it's pretty good. This is my first time really like hearing these speakers like this. So they sound pretty good. To be honest with you. Switch it back. Put my tweeter back up. Yeah, truck coming together. Yeah. Yeah, so hold on. Y'all haven't known, I switched my box out. I ain't got that old Walmart box no more. I got that cube on. Y'all see it? That's why it's booming so yeah, next I'm gonna have to change out that amp. Like a 1200 watt. Cause this 2000, this 2000 watts. So I want to push more, and it's gonna thump more. So yeah, that's why I just need it. And it's the sealed box, ain't imported. So yeah, it's pretty good though. So now I just need to put this back together. Y'all hear that? That jump barely was up. But yeah, that's all for the video, man. Y'all enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to 2K on this channel. So yeah. Let me know some more stuff I should do to this show. I might do it. So yeah. I'll see y'all in this video, man. Y'all take it easy. So, yeah.